It's called the Florida Free Kill Law, and a local lawmaker is again fighting to get it thrown out. It's more than 3 decades old and has been protecting the medical community from negligence lawsuits.
WESH 2's Greg Fox explains what it is, how it could change, and shares the story of one woman grieving the loss of her father.
It's hard. Yeah. I don't want to. It's hard to revisit it. I thought I could be strong.
Mary Jo Kane Reese was strong in fighting for the best medical care for her dad, Thomas Kane, following a stroke.
Dad, they left you laying there for 2 days?
Yeah.
And didn't even talk to you?
Yeah.
Reese provided videos of her father's 3-month stay in a Brevard County hospital. Reese says he developed bed sores and later contracted MRSA and pneumonia, which, following treatment in other hospitals and a nursing home, ultimately claimed his life in August of 2020. She tried to sue, but was told she would get nothing under Florida's Free Kill Law, as some have nicknamed it. When it comes to medical negligence, damages may not be recovered by a decedent's adult children or the parents of an adult child in wrongful death cases. Kane's wife would have had the legal right to sue, but she died years earlier.
It's really wrong because there's no accountability. We have documented proof that wrongdoing took place, and there's nothing we can do about it.
Reese is trying to get the public's attention to contact state lawmakers to get them to repeal the so-called Free Kill Law. So she's taking out billboards like this, the first one in Orlando.
We're just asking for fairness for Florida.
Orlando lawmaker Johanna Lopez has refiled a bill that failed in the legislature earlier this year to repeal the law that is the only one of its kind in the U.S. Her measure reads simply, removing a provision that prohibits adult children and parents of adult children from recovering certain damages in medical negligence suits.
And I think that is fair that we have the same rights of the rest of the nation.
Local attorney Kyle Fletcher agrees the Free Kill Law must go.
Because right now it's unconscionable that a certain segment of our population is exempt from liability simply because of their profession.
Reese knows repealing the Free Kill Law won't help her, but in her father's memory, it just might help others.
Anything less is not justice.
Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.
The bills to end the Free Kill Law have support from Republicans and Democrats, but are certain to face challenges from the insurance and medical communities when the session starts in January.